Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Ivy bag. First time I have come across with this subscription box. So this is also a beauty subscription box where you can subscribe this and you can get monthly products. I'll mention the website link down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So 1 month subscription cost you for rupees 599 and 3 months cost you for rupees 1530. So that is a subscription for 6 months, 12 months also. So depending upon your choice, you can just go ahead and book the subscription box. So 1 month cost for rupees 599 and you get plenty of premium products in this. So this is how the bag looks like. It's really very classy and quite big in size also. So I'll just unbox this and we'll show you what and all is there inside. So inside we have 3 cards. The first card is refer and earn. If you refer, you will be getting some discount also, and your friend also will get some discount. This card is for welcome. On this glam journey, you will discover many beauty treats which will leave you feeling rejuvenated and relaxed. Have a happy journey. And the last card is share and win. This is flaunt your new beauty treat with the hashtag #InMyIvyBag and stand a chance to win an Ivy bag subscription. So these are all about the cards. Now let's see what and all products are there inside. So here I got 6 products inside this. So the first product is this Fuchsia Soap Free Body Wash, and the quantity of the product is 100 ml. So this is the body wash and this is orange lemon flavored one. The next product which I've got is this nail polish. So this is how the color of this nail polish is, and you can see I have applied this on my nails. This is a light pink color which has a purple tone in this, and it gets dry so fast, and this is a matte one, and I really love all the matte nail polish. And the quantity of product is 9.9 ml. The third product which I have received is this MUA Makeup Academy eyeshadow. So this is how it looks, and this is what the color is. This is a shimmery light blue color. I'll just show you the swatch. Here the swatch is such a gorgeous eyeshadow. The fourth product which I have received is this lip care. This is a lip balm. This is from Metra and it's 100% natural and it's in kiwi flavor. And yes, it has SPF also, but nowhere they have mentioned how much SPF it is, but yes, it does have SPF. So this is how the lip balm is in kiwi flavor. In winter times, you really need a good lip balm. And the last product which I have received is this sample sachets. This is from Anatomicals, and one is the body scrub and another one is a coconut plus mango body lotion. So yes, one is a scrub and one is a lotion which I have received. And yes, this is paraben free formula. Great. But this is a sample sachet one. So these were the products which I have received in this Ivy bag, and I'm really looking forward to try this out. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. And click on the notification bell which is next to the subscribe button, so you will be notified for my every new video. Share it with your friends and family. Till then, bye bye. Take care.